Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered what happens inside those massive pipelines that transport oil, gas, and water across our country? It's a dark and mysterious world down there, but luckily we have a secret weapon. Pipeline inspection robots. These robotic heroes are our eyes and ears underground, navigating treacherous pipelines and sending back valuable information. They're like the superheroes of infrastructure, keeping our pipelines safe and preventing potential disasters. But how do these robots actually work? What kind of technology allows them to survive and thrive in such harsh environments? Let's dive in and explore the amazing world of pipeline inspection robots. So, what makes a pipeline inspection robot tick? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these mechanical marvels. Well, imagine a mini submarine, packed with high-tech sensors and cameras, designed to navigate the intricate and often treacherous environments within pipelines. All of this advanced technology is squeezed into a tough, cylindrical body that can withstand harsh conditions. That's our robot in a nutshell. But there's so much more to it than meets the eye. These robots are typically equipped with powerful lights to illuminate the darkness, making it possible to see even the smallest details in the pipeline's interior. High-resolution cameras capture detailed images, allowing technicians to spot potential issues before they become major problems. They also have a range of sensors that measure things like cracks, corrosion, and leaks, providing crucial data for maintenance and safety. To move through the pipeline, some robots use wheels or tracks, which allow them to navigate tight spaces and rough surfaces with ease, while others swim using a propulsion system, making them ideal for water-filled pipelines where traditional wheels or tracks wouldn't work. They're connected to the surface by a tether cable, which provides power and allows operators to control the robot remotely. This tether also transmits the data collected by the robot back to the operators in real time, ensuring that any issues can be addressed immediately. The real-time data transmission is crucial for making quick decisions and planning maintenance activities efficiently. This technology not only saves time, but also significantly reduces the risk of pipeline failures. Deploying these robots requires a team of skilled technicians who ensure that everything runs smoothly. From preparation to data analysis, every step is meticulously planned and executed. In essence, pipeline inspection robots are indispensable tools in maintaining the integrity of our vital infrastructure, ensuring that pipelines remain safe and operational for years to come. Pipeline inspection robots play a crucial role in maintaining our infrastructure and protecting our environment. Think about it. Pipelines are the veins and arteries of our modern world, transporting essential resources over vast distances. Regular inspections are critical to ensure these pipelines are in tip-top shape. That's where our robot heroes come in. They can identify potential problems early on, preventing costly repairs and dangerous leaks. By detecting issues like corrosion or cracks, these robots help prevent leaks that could contaminate water sources, damage ecosystems, and disrupt our daily lives. They're the silent guardians of our pipelines, working tirelessly to keep things flowing smoothly. Section 4. Robot Tales from the Underground. You won't believe what they find. Prepare to be amazed. Today we delve into the fascinating world of pipeline inspection robots and their incredible discoveries beneath our feet. Pipeline inspection robots encounter all sorts of strange and surprising things during their underground adventures. These high-tech machines are designed to navigate the dark, confined spaces of pipelines, revealing secrets hidden from the human eye. While their primary mission is to inspect the pipeline itself, ensuring its integrity and functionality, they often stumble upon unexpected objects and creatures. These discoveries can range from the mundane to the truly bizarre. One common finding is debris. This can include anything from natural sediment to man-made waste. Construction debris, rocks, and even tools can clog pipelines, obstructing flow and potentially causing damage. These blockages can lead to significant issues if not addressed promptly. Robots help identify and locate these blockages so they can be removed. Their advanced sensors and cameras provide detailed images, allowing maintenance teams to take precise action. And it's not just inanimate objects they encounter. The underground world is full of surprises. Sometimes, curious creatures find their way into pipelines, like fish, snakes, or even small mammals. These animals often seek shelter or follow water sources, inadvertently becoming part of the pipeline ecosystem. Don't worry though, these unexpected visitors are usually safely removed. The robots are equipped with gentle mechanisms to handle and relocate these creatures without harm, ensuring both the safety of the animals and the integrity of the pipeline. Section 5. The future of pipeline inspection. Robots to the rescue. Hold on to your hard hats, because the future of pipeline inspection is looking bright. Advancements in robotics, sensors, and data analysis are revolutionizing the way we inspect and maintain our pipelines. Imagine robots equipped with artificial intelligence that can analyze data in real time, identifying potential issues with even greater accuracy. Or picture swarms of miniature robots working together to inspect vast pipeline networks simultaneously. These advancements will make pipeline inspections even more efficient, cost-effective, and comprehensive, ensuring the safety and reliability of our critical infrastructure for generations to come. Section 6. Conclusion. Pipeline inspection. Robots, our underground guardians. So there you have it, science fans. We've taken a fascinating journey into the world of pipeline inspection robots. These incredible machines are the unsung heroes of our modern world, tirelessly working behind the scenes. These high-tech marvels play a vital role in keeping our pipelines safe, reliable, and environmentally sound. They are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow them to detect even the smallest anomalies. From detecting cracks and corrosion to uncovering unexpected treasures hidden within the pipelines, and sometimes even rescuing lost critters, these robots are truly versatile. They can navigate through the most challenging environments, ensuring that our pipelines remain in top condition. These robots are essential for maintaining the flow of essential resources that power our lives. Without them, we would face significant challenges in ensuring the integrity and safety of our infrastructure. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable robots to take on the challenges of pipeline inspection. The future holds exciting possibilities for these machines. With the development of next-generation robots, we will see improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and the ability to tackle even more complex tasks. These advancements will ensure that our pipelines remain safe and operational for years to come, ensuring a brighter and more sustainable future for us all. Stay curious, everybody. Keep exploring the wonders of technology and innovation.